nonetheless, unless one is a very cruel, why should one kill animals unnecessarily? Why? The body is the manifestations of the combinations of the matters. In the beginning, it was nothing, but by the combinations of the matter, it has come into existence. Then again, when the combination is dismantled, the body will no longer exist. So see, so this body doesn't belong to us. So I have already explained to you, isn't it? So if we own this body, then we could have controlled everything that's inside our body, but we cannot control even a urination for a short period of a time. No, we cannot, isn't it? So this body doesn't belong to us. So in order to just to maintain this body, why should one kill animals unnecessarily? Actually, this body is just the manifestations of the combinations of the matter, isn't it? So there are a lot of bhumi, rapo, nalo, vayu, khammano, vidrevacha, ahankara, ityame, vidna, prakritashtata. So it means that there are so many elements that combined to form this body. So in the beginning, it was nothing, but by the combinations of the matter, it come into existence. And then when the combination is dismantled, the body will no longer exist. So then why should one commit the sinful activities when it is manifested? So this should be, this is the very, very important thing that one need to understand.